The art of sculpting dynamic wall art using salvaged metal and driftwood represents a unique fusion of nature and industry, transforming forgotten materials into stunning focal points for modern homes. This creative endeavor not only celebrates the raw textures of salvaged metal, but also highlights the organic flow of weathered driftwood, creating pieces that resonate with both urban sophistication and natural beauty. The process begins with an appreciation for the stories embedded in these materials, each piece bearing marks of its past, rusted surfaces and industrial remnants juxtaposed against the smooth curves and bleached tones of driftwood shaped by waves and time. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. As artists embark on this transformative journey, they breathe new life into discarded industrial elements and shoreline finds, turning them into sophisticated, sustainable statements that reflect thoughtful craftsmanship and the inherent beauty of reclaimed materials. The journey often starts with gathering materials, where artists embark on a scavenger hunt for salvaged metal from various sources, such as scrapyards, construction sites, or even abandoned warehouses. Each piece of metal tells a story, a relic of machinery, an old fence, or a forgotten construction part that might have been overlooked. These materials possess an industrial charm, characterized by their unique textures, weathered appearances, and rich patinas. The contrasting nature of salvaged metal, with its hard, rigid qualities, presents a compelling contrast to the softness of driftwood, which has been smoothed and shaped by water and time. This interplay between the two materials creates a dynamic aesthetic that appeals to contemporary sensibilities, inviting a conversation about the relationship between man-made and natural elements. Once the materials are gathered, the creative process begins. Artists engage in a tactile exploration of how these contrasting elements can be harmoniously combined. They might envision a driftwood structure that gracefully supports pieces of metal, or explore ways to weave metal rods through the curves of the wood, creating a sense of movement and balance. This exploration allows for experimentation with various forms and compositions, as the artists manipulate the materials to reveal their innate qualities. The flexibility of driftwood lends itself to organic shapes, while the rigidity of metal can create angular lines, inviting a dialogue between softness and strength. This interplay results in dynamic sculptures that draw the eye and engage the viewer's imagination. The act of assembling these materials into cohesive sculptures requires not only creativity, but also skillful craftsmanship. Artists often employ a combination of welding, drilling, and fastening techniques to securely merge the raw forms into a singular piece of art. The process can be exceptionally rewarding. As each section comes together, the sculpture begins to tell a story of transformation, a narrative that speaks to both the individual history of the materials and the new journey they embark upon as art. The thoughtful craftsmanship involved in this transformation emphasizes the importance of not just creating aesthetically pleasing designs, but also honoring the integrity of the materials themselves. Each angle, curve, and connection reflects the artist's intention, showcasing both a respect for the past and a vision for the future. Creating dynamic wall art from salvaged metal and driftwood offers significant opportunities for elevating discarded materials into sophisticated decor. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, these pieces serve as powerful reminders of the potential that exists within what is perceived as waste. Artists empowered to turn scraps and remnants into art challenge the status quo of consumerism by demonstrating that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. The final sculptures become visual representations of renewal and creativity, encouraging viewers to reconsider the relationship they have with objects deemed obsolete. The energy exuded by these sculptures breathes life into modern homes, transcending mere decoration to become engaging focal points that evoke emotion and curiosity. Each piece invites conversations, offering insights into the creative process and the thoughtful decisions behind its construction. This interaction reinforces the value of craftsmanship and artistry in an age where mass-produced items often dominate the market. By choosing to showcase artwork created from salvaged materials, homeowners not only enhance their living spaces, but also cultivate an atmosphere that reflects their values, celebrating sustainability and individual expression. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of decor ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, the incorporation of salvaged metal and driftwood art into interior design challenges conventional approaches to decor. Where traditional wall art may rely on conventional materials and techniques, these dynamic pieces stand apart, embracing imperfections and the narratives etched into their surfaces. The juxtaposition of raw, industrial metal with soft, organic driftwood creates a harmony that captivates the eye while inviting contemplation. This unique blend of textures adds depth and character to a space, creating a more engaging environment that is representative of the homeowner's personality and values. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, these artworks embody a broader cultural narrative that reflects a growing consciousness around sustainability and environmental responsibility. The act of repurposing waste materials speaks to a desire to create less and reuse more, aligning with contemporary values that prioritize ecological awareness. Each sculpture represents not just an artistic endeavor, but also a commitment to environmental stewardship. By choosing to incorporate salvaged metal and driftwood into their designs, artists contribute to a larger movement that champions creativity and resourcefulness in the face of modern consumption challenges. Furthermore, the artistic process of creating wall sculptures enhances the connection between the artist and the materials. There is a profound satisfaction that comes from transforming what was once forgotten or discarded into something meaningful and beautiful. Each interaction with the materials fosters a deeper understanding of their characteristics, prompting artists to explore new techniques and approaches. This relationship nurtures not only artistic growth, but also a sense of fulfillment that enriches the creative journey. As artists experiment with forms, they often discover new methods and ideas that inform their future works, creating a continuous cycle of innovation and exploration. Assembling pieces of salvaged metal and driftwood into cohesive artworks also invites community engagement and collaboration. Artists often find themselves part of a vibrant network of like-minded individuals passionate about sustainable art practices. Workshops and collaborative projects create spaces for sharing knowledge, techniques, and inspiring narratives surrounding the materials used in their works. These relationships foster a supportive environment where artists can learn from each other, encouraging mutual growth while celebrating the creativity inherent in their collective pursuits. Community interactions amplify the impact of the art, connecting individuals through shared experiences and promoting a sense of belonging within the artistic sphere. As the movement of transforming salvaged metal and driftwood into dynamic wall art continues to grow, the realm of possibility expands. Artists are constantly pushing boundaries, experimenting with new forms and innovative techniques to explore the potential of their materials further. Advanced welding methods may allow for more intricate designs, while unique finishes can elevate the visual impact of the metal and wood. Each successful creation not only enhances the artist's portfolio, but also reinforces the belief that art, when forged from the remnants of our past, can inspire a brighter and more sustainable future. Ultimately, the marriage of salvaged metal and driftwood for the creation of dynamic wall art transcends aesthetic appeal, embodying a philosophy rooted in sustainability, creativity, and thoughtful craftsmanship. Each sculpture serves as a reminder that the discarded can be transformed into the extraordinary, urging us to engage with our environments differently. By choosing to celebrate the beauty found in reclaimed materials, artists challenge conventional norms and inspire viewers to find value in the overlooked aspects of life. This artistic pursuit not only enriches modern homes, but also contributes to a more sustainable world, infusing our living spaces with consciousness and creativity. The resonant stories behind each work evoke a deeper appreciation for the materials and the artistry involved, fostering a connection between the artwork and those who encounter it. Through this transformative practice, the forgotten becomes the focal point, revealing a profound truth. Within every scrap of metal and piece of driftwood lies the potential to craft something truly extraordinary. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.